In today's video, we are going to install Kali Linux on our PC or laptop. So for that, just go and search on your browser, Kali Linux. Now click on this first link, the official Kali Linux website. Here, as you can see, we have the downloading interface for the Kali Linux. It's an open source, so you can download it for free. Now just simply click on Download. Now we have two options, Installer Image and VirtualBox. You can download Installer Image or VirtualBox as per your requirement. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Kali Linux on VirtualBox, so I'm going to download VirtualBox. Here you can see we have so many options. So we are going to download it for Windows. So click on this first, VirtualBox for Windows, for downloading it. Now the downloading process has started. We have completed the downloading process for the Kali Linux. Now let's go for the VirtualBox downloading process. Search VirtualBox on your PC or laptop. Now click on this first official link of VirtualBox. Here, as you can see, we have the downloading interface for the VirtualBox. As you can see, it's also an open source like Kali Linux, so you can download it for free. Now click on Download for downloading the VirtualBox for free. As you can see, currently we have this version of VirtualBox. It might change with time, so download the latest one. Here we have so many options. So for downloading it for Windows, click on Windows Hosts. Now it's downloading, so wait for it. You should also download the VirtualBox extension pack. For this, you have to click on Accept and Download. After downloading, click on the VirtualBox file. Now click on Next. Then, by accepting the terms, tick this and click on Next. Now click on Next. Click on Yes. Now click on Next. As you can see, the installation process has started. After the installation, search for Control Panel and click on it. Here select Network and Internet. Choose Network and Steering Center and then choose Change Adapter Setting. Now click on this. Installation for the VirtualBox has completed, so click on Finish. Now from the files, select that extension package. If you haven't downloaded it, download it from here. Click on Install. Read this and click on I agree. Now open your browser and search for 7-zip. Open this website and download and install it, then extract your Kali Linux file with the help of this software. Now for adding Kali Linux on VirtualBox, just click on Open. Then select that extracted Kali Linux file. I have already added this, so the interface will look like this. For using Kali Linux, click on Start. It takes a while to get started. Wait for it. Now we have to log in. So the default password is Kali. You have to write Kali in both the boxes. Now, as you can see, we have successfully installed the Kali Linux VirtualBox in our laptop. For closing the Kali Linux, you just have to click here and then click on Shut Down. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel for videos like this.